If you are a new upcoming content creator, listen to this. Content creation will change your life. It's very simple. The only thing you need to do is upload video. And there are 4 platforms. No, understand? These 4 platforms are going to change your life in the twinkle of an eye. If you are interested in this topic, stay tuned. The first is YouTube. Do YouTube blogging. This will change your life, believe me. It's very simple. If you don't know more, comment below this video how to open a YouTube channel or how to upload video on YouTube, where to upload the video. I will make another video for sure now how you fit create your YouTube channel, how you fit go about. The second one will go change your life now. Facebook. Facebook got what we call content monetization. Not Facebook monetization, but content monetization. What do I mean? You dey monetize na your content. You know, the monetize na your Facebook. Now, one thing this way people they fail to understand. Some people they can't comment asking me what did they monetize. I want to know how to monetize my Facebook. They don't monetize Facebook. You monetize but your content you posted on Facebook. Number 3, TikTok. TikTok live will change your life. Go live on TikTok. Half an inch. Get what you want go talk about where it go interest people, where it go call people their attention for can't stay, for can't listen. Wait till where you they actually talk. It go change your life. Number 4, Instagram. You know, many people they don't know how they do make money on Instagram, but I will tell you, say Instagram will change your life. Do content, create content. It's very simple to create a content. What I'm doing now, I'm creating a content. I'm going to upload this video. That's already a content. So these 4 apps, them, if you don't know how to make money on any of these apps, comment down below which of them you don't know how to make money on it. I will make a straight video, demonstrate the steps until when and how to do the monetization when the time reach. But the most simple one to easily make money is Facebook. Post on Facebook Reels. Original video, no copy and paste. There is a way to copy and paste, but first you need to check the copyright and do edit. You must do editing before you fit copy someone's video, otherwise copyright will take it down. The same thing happens on YouTube. If you can do that, sorry, if you can do that directly, edit it first. Editing is very simple. You just need to add maybe a voiceover or even a picture behind the video. Reduce the video, then you put your own picture, or you put your picture of a corner, or you put your own voice, or you make some like reaction. The content then this way they go viral like boom. Very simple. These 4 apps that were mentioned are YouTube, 1, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. My brother, my sister, it will change your life. Believe me. I will make a video. I will start with Facebook. I will make a video how if you open the Facebook page, where to upload videos, how to check copyright, then I will upload it on my YouTube channel. If you never subscribe for my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe, because now for here I will get all the details on how you can achieve all those things. Now first time for seeing my video, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Follow my YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube, follow my Facebook page, TikTok and Instagram account. There will be a lot of updates. I'm coming up with something new. Make sure. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.